Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to my channel Chai with Varu. Welcome to another interesting lunchbox recipes today. Starting my day off bright and early with the little preferences of my kids that I cook with love and care. So they wanted home baked walnut and banana bread. So I baked that last evening itself, and this morning I served them for breakfast. And they wanted something with kala chana. So the older one wanted a gravy and the younger one wanted a salad with pasta. So I'm pressure cooking the kala chana for 5 whistles. Alongside I'm cooking pasta. And I started prepping all the ingredients required for the gravy and the salad for kala chana. Now the pasta is cooked. I'm adding in a tablespoon of unsalted butter and then the dried oregano, ground black pepper, garlic powder, all this as per your taste you can add, and some onion powder. Mix them thoroughly and also add marinara sauce as required and salt as per taste. So my kids love marinara sauce, so I'd added that. If you want you can add or else skip it. It's up to your choice. Pasta is ready to be packed now. Now for the gravy, in a hot pan add in oil, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, a small piece of cinnamon, 2 to 3 cardamom and couple of cloves, around 2 to 3 garlic cloves, 1 serrano pepper, small piece of ginger, saute until the raw flavor of garlic goes away. And then 1 roughly cut onion. Saute the onions until it turns translucent, and then couple of tomatoes and cook until the tomatoes turn mushy. Add salt as per your taste. While that's cooking, I'm also making rotis alongside, and I've heated a pan on the other side for the rotis. Morning hours are very busy, especially when you're packing lunch boxes for your kids. So we have to make use of our time so wisely. Cook 2 to 3 items at the same time in order to save time. As you can see, the gravy mixture is perfectly sauteed and it's time to cool it off completely and then blend it into a fine puree. Now roti is ready to be packed for lunch and the gravy is also ready to be packed for lunch. Now the first lunch for the day is ready for school. Now with the cooked kala chana, it's time to quickly prepare a yummy chickpea salad, for which I'm quickly chopping in cherry tomatoes, mangoes and some cucumbers. So I have used half a cucumber here. Now I'm tossing in the cooked kala chana, the cucumbers, cherry tomatoes and mangoes. And to this I'm adding in salt as per taste, black pepper powder, some cumin powder and some dry mango powder or amchur, a small pinch, and quickly give it a good mix. Now it's time to pack the lunch. Pasta ready, kala chana salad ready to be packed, and then finally some fresh blueberries and dried figs for snack. After all the hustle bustle of lunch packing for the kids, it's time to clean up. With a sparkling clean kitchen countertop and a clean home, I'm all set for my morning jog in the fresh air. After feeling refreshed with my morning jog in the fresh air, I'm back home with my tea and breakfast. I hope you loved my early morning vlog and I hope you liked my recipes. If you liked my video, please leave a comment below in the comment section. Also, if you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Chai with Varu. Also, don't forget to press the notifications bell icon. See you again with another new video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.